Today is August 1st, 2023, obviously, and I'm so excited because I'm doing something major. Pretty sure it'll be unexpected. I'm very excited, not necessarily nervous, which is a little bit strange for how big this is going to be. Stay tuned. I'm going blonde, guys. Like, I'm actually going blonde, like full on, not no highlights or nothing like that, full on blonde. I'm really excited though because I just feel like so much changes and growth has happened, and I want something to represent where I'm at right now. So I feel like a big commitment like this will be, you know, something major and something big that I could always reflect on. Here's the thing, whenever I make up my mind to do something, like I really go head on, like I commit, and I'm ready. Let's do this. I'm just not nervous. I'm excited.
They make you feel comfortable? They make you feel
Yeah, they make me feel really comfortable. My curls will lose its pattern, like will get a little bit looser. But that's like all part of it. It'll need to get used to what's happening to it. But I take care of me. I could take care of my hair.
All that's gonna be on your head.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, my heart's beating a little bit
As
fast.
it should. As it should. Usually it depends on the hair. Hers is natural, so it might be a little bit faster, but usually I tell clients between 6 and 8 hours. Depending on how the hair feels, which it's going to feel fantastic today. We usually touch up after 1 week. And if we don't need to touch up, then we'll wait at least another month or two.
We're manifesting no touch up.
Yeah.
This is what the blonde is gonna give. All right, it's so dope. Like, imagine. Yes, since my hair is 100% virgin hair, we don't have to worry about doing it in segments. So I'm really hoping that today I'll get the blonde that I want sitting here. Obviously, it's a really long process. I'm trying not to scare myself because it's like construction. You have to trust the process, and I'm gonna trust the process.
What? No, I think we're good for
Oh my God, to me. It looks so long for real. Looks good.
Also, there's nothing, it's only shampoo, so you haven't had any treatments or anything.
Okay.
That goes next.
And this is not the color, right?
No. This is the Midwest.
Is the part where
This
you
is
look
the
crazy.
Okay, my friend, you're free.
All right, thank you, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah, it really is. And 46 is 45, you know?
Talk to us. It's the first time it's out.
I know,
There's
right?
no aluminum foil. What do you think?
I mean, my curls are still here, so I'm really excited about that. You know, this is the crazy part. Like, it looks weird, but you have to trust the process. We're trusting the process.
I said I want something big. I want something that says I'm here. I said I want.
Show them how it's done, Joy. After this, we're gonna do the actual bleaching process, and it's gonna give me like the color that I want. And I think we'll be able to do everything in one take. So I'm really happy. I need to take a selfie. I'm really proud of myself in the sense that whenever I'm sure about something, I never got into it with like second thoughts. So the whole day has just been like really fun. I'm like, it's coming together. She's doing it.
She got that za.
She got that za. Home stretch, almost there. We're like, I said a finish line, you know? And I'm at the front. First place.
There you are.
And she was like, tone, a question mark.
That was good. My God. Nice. All right, so this is the final color. It's giving champagne blonde. Right now I'm adding like my styling products to it, and then we're gonna diffuse it and I'll show you guys the end results. You never seen a freckle face, blonde hair, body that look like me? It's giving, all right? I'm so happy because my curls are still like very much so defined, and that was the biggest thing for me. And I feel like this color is so hard to get, and the fact that I was able to get it in one sitting, like that's crazy. However, I will say it's gonna take some getting used to. Like, I'm not used to seeing myself like this, but you know, I'm excited to go home and do my makeup and pull my look together. I'm sure I'm gonna slay. It's already a slay, babe. It's already a slay.